For 21 years, I danced at the military service balls. But when I got out of the military and hung up my uniform, they stopped playing the music. That's why we at the American Veterans Ball decided to make our own event, an evening of camaraderie, patriotism, and reconnection.
We are here at the American Veterans Ball 2023 at the Gaylord Hotel in Washington, D.C.'s National Harbor. I'm Lizette Alvarado, and I'm excited to welcome you to the AVB experience where we are gathered to celebrate our armed forces, past, present, and future. Here with Renee Allen, the co-host for the American Veterans Ball.
I've been a veteran for 22 and a half years. I retired at Bethesda Naval Hospital, which is now Walter Reed Medical Center. And it just means a lot to me. I walk around with the badge of honor. Tonight is very special because, the veterans need to be celebrated. And there's so many here tonight, 800 and counting. And I just can't wait to get in there with Darren and really get this celebration started.
With Darren Haynes, 11-time Emmy Award sports anchor. Now, you're asked to host many events, but you chose to host AVB. Why is that?
I volunteered for this because I wanted to be a part of it, because I knew how special it is and what it means to so many other people. I mean, I'm a son of a veteran. My dad was a Marine. The military runs through my blood.
AVB is the place to be. They put on a great show each and every year.
Over the land of the free.
It's the only veteran ball anywhere. And so the fact that you're bringing all services together for a night of fun and camaraderie and raising money for a good cause, you can't beat it.
Most thing I'm excited about is the networking, the connection, people coming together, meeting each other, being able to learn what each person does for a living, learning about, who's who, what's what, what's hot, what's not. That's important, when you're having an event this huge, is to make sure that your network is your net worth.
When I left the military, it was just me, by myself. And once I found a community of like-minded individuals to be with, like other veterans, it made life in transitioning a whole lot better.
What are you excited about the most this evening?
I'm just so excited to see everyone glammed up, looking beautiful. I see a lot of fellow service members in their Class A's, so that's always exciting. But I'm here to see the ladies do their thing.
What does it mean to you to be bringing all the queens and being a part of this event?
Bringing queens and bringing their platforms and also them assisting with a lot of the veterans is such a huge support. Beauty with a purpose. They come here with their beautiful crowns and they also have so many amazing platforms that they're sharing. So I love all that.
Veterans, we can never repay for the service, for the sacrifices, and we have to do whatever we can, anytime we can, to show them we appreciate it.
Another round of applause for our Passion and Purpose awardees.
The single-lighted candle reminds us of the flame of eternal life, that their memory remains with us forever.
When veterans leave their service families, they lose the bond of brotherhood and sisterhood that we cherish so much. This could be traumatic for many of us.
What are some of the things that a veteran experiences when they're discharged?
Typically in the military, everything is planned, everything is planned out for you, what to do every day. Now the veteran's out. Now we have to acclimate into civilian life. And for some veterans, that can be difficult.
Statistics show that 22 veterans are committing suicide a day. Now, you come from a family of veterans. How familiar are you with that statistic?
Well, that's how my nephew died. He was in the Air Force and he committed suicide. And you just wonder, what was he going through? What was he struggling with?
Mental health is important, and there's veterans that are in need of help, and events like this help bring the spotlight.
The veterans have said that they needed a lot of mental health support, so we're trying to make sure that they also come to events like this so that they can just lay back, have fun, have a great time. And I've talked to several of them already today, and they keep saying thank you so much for finding this opportunity for them to attend this ball.
At the American Veterans Ball, we are driven by passion, rooted in purpose, and anchored to the future leaders of America.
What are you most excited about this evening?
The cadets, the youth.
We all served and we all had the balls. That's gone when you get out. And to see them reconnect with that, and the guys that come back year after year, and you see the first timers, it just warms your heart. We know we're on the right track, we're on the right path, we're doing it for the right reasons, and the smiles tell us we're doing it the right way.
To be able to give back to our veterans who do not get the support we feel at times from the government itself, to have organizations such as AVB giving back to our veterans is awesome.
We have helped Ozzy and his team continue by providing in-kind and cash sponsorships for this event. It's amazing because his give back to the community is so broad.
Governor of the State of Maryland, to Ozzy Ramos, founder, American Veterans Ball 2023, because of your demonstration of high integrity and ability, we are most pleased to award you the Governor's Citation.
AVB is on a mission to bring veterans together to honor their legacies and connect past, present, and future leaders of America. We look forward to seeing you at our next event.
Please join us Saturday, May 11th, 2024 at the Washington Hilton, Washington, D.C. The American Veterans Ball, where passion meets purpose.
Thank you.